Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5170 Wireless Color All-in-One Supertank Printer. Click the link below for more info and a special 35% discount offer. Save a ridiculous amount on ink. 1. With revolutionary cartridge-free printing, save up to 80% with low-cost replacement ink bottles versus standard capacity color laser toner cartridges. 1. That's about 2 cents per color ISO page versus 14 cents with color laser toner. 1. Built for speed, up to 17 black, 9.5 color ISO ppm print speed. No warm-up time, fast first page out. Professional quality color prints, Epson DURABrite ET pigment inks for crisp, vibrant prints in black and white and color, borderless prints up to 8.5 x 11. Engineered for high-volume business environments, reliability you can count on with a 2-year limited warranty with registration. 2. PrecisionCore permanent printhead designed to last the life of the printer. Less waste, zero cartridge waste with high-yield ink bottles. Bonus black ink bottle included, get up to 7,500 additional pages black. 3. Right out of the box, plus, get up to 7,500 pages black, 6,000 color. 3. With each replacement set of bottles you purchase. Get more done with powerful productivity features, auto 2-sided printing, 250 sheet paper tray, 2.4 color touchscreen, fax, Ethernet, ADF, face-down output. Easy control from your mobile device. The Epson Smart Panel app. 4. Lets you set up, operate and monitor your printer using your mobile device. Compact, space-saving design, plus exclusive eco-fit ink bottles, uniquely keyed bottles for easy filling of each color, auto start, stop design. Security features and easy connectivity. Full suite of embedded features protects your data. Connect wirelessly with Wi-Fi Direct. 5. Also features voice-activated printing. 6. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.